I'm Alexis, because I did so much cleaning I have to show you guys. Alright. You see the kitchen? Those cardboard boxes are trash, so I'm going to take those out soon. But look, it's so nice and clean. I cleaned the oven. And then see, look, dishes. Dishes. I'm about to put those up. But you see the sink? Hold on. There are no dishes in the sink. Right. Hold on. Now let us. Here, there's the table. Very nice and clean. Remember all those that huge pile of clothes? Can you see it? I mean, there's only a few left, but it's pretty much done. This is awesome. Oh, the guest bathroom. Look how clean. Oh man. It's awesome. Oh, I'm going to show you the guest room for if people need to crash. I made plates. Not plates. I made places. Okay, Rasai. No. Well, Rasai found his spot. Alright, Bubba. Come on. I need to vacuum. But here's the living room. See the table. That's my room. There's a little few pieces on the floor, but I did awesome. And I'll show you outside because it's snowing. Can you see? This one. I don't know if you can tell. Whatever. But yeah, I cleaned. Just wanted to show it to you because it was exciting. And I figured you guys would be proud.